All right, Justin, it's this week's content tip.
All right, so far I've told you guys not to smack filters on your content because that's just really bad, and don't use stock images. We've also talked about figuring out what type of content you need, whether that's a mix between photo and video. And then last week we talked about having a variety between the two. So for this week, I want to focus on mainly the data and the analytics of both photo and video and seeing what type of content actually performs best for you guys who are doing your content yourselves. So if you guys are doing your content advertising through, Instagram or Facebook, it's not that hard to find your analytics page, and you can go through via Instagram and look at your analytics and see, how much engagement your photos are getting, how much engagement your videos are getting, and seeing, what content did best and what content did the worst. And from there, you just want to go ahead and create the content and replicate the content that has done really well and kind of phase out the content that hasn't done well. You also want to make sure that you're, innovating on the content that you're creating. Even though you have one specific style one week that's doing really good, it's, could be lackluster the next week. And so you want to make sure you're making little tweaks here and there to make sure, your audience is going to continue to keep being engaged, and you keep pushing the levels and the creative aspects of the content that you're creating, especially if you guys are doing that yourselves. So I would highly encourage, if you guys are following along with the tips that we've been giving, take a look at your analytics page, see what content is performing best, so that way you can best optimize your reach, your engagement, and all that good stuff with the content that you guys are creating.